So there's two things you're supposed to know when you get older. First, never waste a hard-on.
That's right.
Second, never trust a fart.
That's a good one. Oh my God.
And then
he's got to add one to that. What happens when you can't get hard on anymore? Then what do you do?
you take a couple blue pills.
Fuck that. All that does is give my blood pressure a freaking run for its money.
All right, man.
I'll see you later.
All right, and we're getting loaded up. Got everything in the truck. Got all our beer, camera gear. Rocco's back's feeling better.
We're good.
And we're on our way.
Jeez. Good to go.
We're gonna get some breakfast of champions right now.
Get some chow, man. Yeah, what kind of chow you got? Damn it, it's hot.
You got your coffee?
Got my coffee. Strong and hot. I love a good road trip, man.
Yeah, we're on 81.
Southbound, we're 2 hours out.
Yep, we're gonna go check out the Volkswagen junkyard. So this must be the rabbit section. Yep. That window's cool too.
Looking to find 2 little clips for the front air vent. So when you pull the lever, the little air vents will go up together. That and the rotor bolts that hold on the rotor to the hub. That's it, really.
You got one of those freaking robot screwdrivers.
Oh yeah, I got one everything in here.
Is that $1,000,001?
Yeah.
Just imagine how much love was in every single one of these. In the back seats. It's like hundreds of generations of love. Oops. And the love goes on. Rocco's gonna use some of these parts for his restoration.
The plastic on my other one all dry rotted, and this one seems in pretty damn good shape.
Yeah.
Ah, you bitch! It's tight as fuck. Get that fucking thing any tighter. Yeah. This thing. Come on. Alright. Damn this. I got it.
Like, what's your dreams?
Want to get her so I can take it across country, maybe take it out to Oregon, see Kate's brother. And then just tool around, take the car shows,
Crank some tunes.
crank some tunes, sleep in it. Maybe, yeah, that's about it. On the bat?
Sure, I'll take one.
I don't know, I got Coors Light, Springbok, Tecate, Yingling. Got a whole smorgasbord. What do you want, bud?
I'll just have a bath, it's fine.
A little bad.
Right.
I might grab myself a skunk ass too. I like a good skunk sometimes.
Thanks, bro.